Hey neighbors, this is Amber here with eTrailer. Today we're going to talk about trickle chargers. Now, one of the main things you would want to use a trickle charger for is to keep your RV batteries charged and healthy during the off-season. We're going to go over two of our favorite RV trickle chargers, which are the NOCO Genius 2 amp charger and the Brightway solar charger. Now, the NOCO is going to be best for the applications where you can plug into an outlet, and the Brightway is going to be the better option if you don't have an outlet available, if you're just storing your RV outside. So let's get into what makes these chargers so great. The first thing I want to talk about is compatibility. That's a really big reason why we recommend these battery chargers so often. The NOCO charger in particular, I'm going to talk about first, is compatible with 6-volt and 12-volt batteries, and it's compatible with all major RV battery types. Lithium, you do have to have an additional battery management system, but it is going to work for all your major battery types. The Brightway is going to be compatible with 12-volt batteries that are larger than 5 amp hours, which is pretty much going to be all of your RV batteries that are 12 volts. So it's a little bit more limited because it doesn't charge 6-volt batteries, but it's still going to work for most RV applications. So again, that's a really big reason why we recommend these two so often. Another feature I want to talk about that both of these chargers have is a smart charging feature. With a RV in particular, you probably just want to throw a charger on your battery and leave it there during the entire winter without thinking about it. And if you're going to do that, you definitely want a charger with a smart charging feature. And this is going to prevent your batteries from becoming overcharged. If you ever had that rotten egg smell when you were charging a battery and you ended up cooking your battery, basically, you know that's not good. So that's where these come in. They have a smart charging feature that's going to limit the amount of power going to your battery. They're going to let your battery discharge. They're going to sense when it's topped off, and they're going to keep it there topped off in that cycle without ever overcharging it. So let's talk features. I really like a lot of the features on the NOCO, especially this display. It's going to provide you a lot of information, such as any errors, if your battery is overheating, or if you're running into any problems, you're going to be able to diagnose it with this light up display here. It also comes with reverse polarity protection in case you happen to hook up to the wrong terminals, and it has a spark protector so you don't get that really scary arc of electricity when you clamp on your terminals. Another thing I really like is that the ring terminals are actually integrated into the alligator clips, whereas for most chargers those are going to be separate. So it just makes it really easy to either set up a long-term installation if you're charging a battery over the winter, or clamp them onto a battery really quick if you need to do that. So it has a lot of really nice features that I appreciate. And then obviously the big feature for our Brightway solar charger is the fact that it is a solar charger. This panel is going to open up a lot of options for you as far as where you charge your RV. You don't necessarily have to pay for a storage space. You can keep your RV outside. You don't have to be connected to an outlet. You can just put this on there and it's going to keep your battery topped off all season long. As great as these chargers are there cases where they're not going to work for you? Absolutely. These are going to be great for providing a trickle charge to get you through the winter and keep your battery topped off. But if you're looking for something that's going to charge your RV batteries a little bit more quickly or from a depleted state, you're going to want something a little bigger, such as the NOCO Genius 10 amp charger. Well guys, we understand that picking a battery charger can be really confusing. We definitely recommend the NOCO 2 amp charger or the Brightway, but if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We're happy to help you out. We're only a click or a call away. See you next time. If you guys liked that video, go ahead and check out the next one from our team up here. If you want to check out some of the products that we talked about, go ahead and click over here or check out the links in the description below. And if you want to see more videos from our team here at eTrailer, go ahead and subscribe to our channel over here.